Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome and blessed day today. Today the sun is shining. I just want to come on here and really talk about what's happening in my homeland, Jamaica. This hurricane has left, well, it's beyond devastation. I don't have words to describe what happened and what's happening right now. And I know that it's worse than what we're seeing on social media. Like, it's like you have to be there to actually see how devastating and how sad it is. Like, I've been crying even before the hurricane because I know a category 5 gonna damage us. You know, it's so sad to see people left with nothing. People lost their lives. I saw a video yesterday with a 2-week-old, a 2 weeks old baby, and they don't have a home. Like, oh my God, like it's so sad. The devastation is real. Like, I didn't think I would see this in my lifetime. People are struggling. People who worked all their lives for what they have, like, they lost it within, well, less than a day. You know, like, all fun and joke aside, like, we need help. Like, Jamaica needs help, and we're all trying our best to help, you know, but we need the help. Like I was watching CNN yesterday, and the reporter was saying that, like, there's no word to describe what he's seeing in Jamaica. That's sad. Like, when I see the videos, when I see the water and the wind just lift up people's homes and roll it over yonder, like, it's heartbreaking. Like, my family, for the most part, are okay, but it's not just about my family, it's about the Jamaican people. I know we're gonna rebuild, and I know we're gonna be stronger than before, because, you know, we are strong people, we are resilient. I know all of that, but in this moment, Jamaica needs help. So again, you know, we are all doing our part, and it's so awesome to see everyone coming together and helping. Like, we need it. If you're not Jamaican, and, you know, if you love the culture, our music, you know, even if you can't donate, pray for us. Like, we need prayer. People gonna need therapy, because what happened is unreal. It's unreal. So I still feel helpless, you know, even though you are donating, but because I'm not physically there, I feel so hopeless. And I believe that I need to come off the internet, because every time I go and see another video, like, I cry. You know, I feel so depressed. Like, I haven't been focusing or functioning properly at work from before COVID, not COVID, from before the hurricane. I was tracking it, you know, like watching the live broadcast from the day before and the day off. Like, you know, they had the live broadcast, so I was watching it on YouTube. So I've been following it closely, and it's sad. Like, I'm lost for words. I talk to my mom almost every day. She still doesn't have power, but whenever she can get her phone charged, someone has a generator. So, and I feel like I talk to her a lot more now. You know, it makes you realize that you can be here today and gone tomorrow. Like, you have to hold on to your loved ones. You have to make time for your loved ones. And I'm a person like this. Like, sometimes when I'm going through my stuff, I don't really answer phone calls. It's like a mental thing for me. Like, I have to be in that, I don't know, space. Sometimes I can't take the like anything that's negative, I can't, because I do struggle with depression here and there. But now, boy, as the phone ring, we pick it up. So it's a lot. Devastation. Oh, yeah. So, all Jamaicans living abroad, far and wide, if we can do our best to support every mickle make a muckle. And I know we are all struggling right now, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how you feel like you have a hard life or you're going through it, someone else is always worse than you are. Right now, it makes no sense you complain. Like, because the people in Jamaica, boy, it's sad. It's so sad. Sometimes you see them in rain just going for the food from, yeah, it's hard. And we still have to think about their dignity. I know sometimes when we are helping others, we like to, it's good to show what you're doing, but having the cameras up in their faces and in their times of distress, we don't need that. These people, we don't want to take away their dignity because they're going through enough already. But again, I know Jamaica will rebuild. I know we will come back stronger. It will take time, and I know some of us want to help right now and we don't have the resources, or we may not have the money to help, but you can help it by praying. And it's not gonna take a day, a week, a month. So next year we may still need your help, and maybe next year you'll be in a better place that you can help, right? So just pray for us. Pray for the people that's living in the situation right now. If you can share on your socials to also bring awareness to what's happening, you can link the government website there so they can support. And if you don't feel like you want to donate to a big corporation or the government, you can send it to someone that you trust, because I'll be doing the same, sending to someone that I trust, that I know gonna give it to who really need the help, right? I know everyone needs help right now, but you have some people that needs it more than others. So if you don't trust the big corporations and you want to give it to someone that you trust enough to do that, do it. But don't focus on, I don't have a lot. Like, whatever you have helps. Let's help Jamaica if you can. Again, if you can't, you pray and just be grateful. Just be grateful for what you have, because I know sometimes we take it for granted. I know sometimes we complain instead of being grateful. Let this be a lesson, really, that sometimes focus on what you have and don't focus on what you don't have, because if you don't have it, you don't have it, right? Just be grateful, be thankful. Right now you have a roof over your head, you have a warm bed to go sleep in, you have food to eat, right? You have clothes that you can wear. You see that? All these 4 things, some people don't have it in Jamaica right now. So just be grateful. Always remember that, right? It's heavy. It's heavy to see the destruction, because that's what it is. Like, it's heavy. And like, even yesterday I was watching the Virgos, and I don't remember what exactly Romaine said, and I broke down crying. I just started bawling, and that's what I've been doing. Even when I'm at work, and if anyone come and talk to me about it, like I started crying. It's hard. It's hard. And for me, I'm an emotional being, so I cry for everything. So this just, it makes it worse. But I have some really great staff. We are doing our own thing to help, right? So, and we're gonna continue. Like, I'm gonna continue to do it, because, as again, it's not gonna be only for a few months. They're gonna need help. So we have to continue supporting Jamaica until we get there. People gonna have to rebuild, and some people don't even have it to rebuild. That's the sad part. Some people don't even have the money to buy materials when they can start, build again, to get back to build a home. We have to think about that. Oh God, I don't know, but we have to look into ourselves and take away something from this. This hurricane, I'm telling you, it came for Jamaica. Like, it came for Jamaica, so it's rough. So let's continue to pray for Jamaican people, and help as much as you can. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Until next time, be blessed, stay blessed, and remember to always be grateful. Okay, bye-bye, guys.